Databases are a foundational component of any organization's IT data center architecture. They can be found at the core of most financial, e-commerce and manufacturing applications, from high-throughput transaction processing to high-volume data analytics and reporting workloads. Databases are a trusted data store for the business. It is no surprise that, according to ESG research, most organizations store between 40 and 70% of all their corporate information in databases. When IT managers were asked what their major challenges with supporting databases are, managing data growth was by far the biggest issue. With the explosive data growth of electronically stored information showing no signs of abating, and yet controlling costs as a top business priority, IT organizations need to find ways to introduce efficiencies while delivering what the business needs. The complex matrix of resources, skills, and ever-changing business requirements within which IT must support databases means that managing structured data is no walk in the park. But where to begin? Organizations can start eliminating waste and implementing efficiencies by leveraging ESG's structured data reference model to frame the conversation. From the beginning to end of any data lifecycle, we can begin to see how demands for my data change and how those demands introduce challenges to IT. By placing a framework around the problem, CIOs and enterprise architects can implement processes and technology based on the lowest common denominator, optimization based on efficiencies and minimizing waste. ESG's structured data reference model breaks down the conversation into 4 major areas: transaction processing, analytics and reporting, disaster recovery and business continuity, and test and development. With the proper tools, frameworks, and knowledge, CIOs are armed to accelerate the journey to running an efficient data center for structured and unstructured data, and to realize the associated business benefits, improved efficiencies, and controlled cost.